Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some pigtail mango pigtail. You wanna see big foodie mango right here. I can see the pigtail here. The recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some mango pigtail. So I'm gonna show you all my ingredients them what me use in my recipe. Sweet potato, Irish potato, we have some yam here, onion, pepper, tomato, bell pepper, we have some garlic. So recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. So I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare my recipe. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Some people know that some corn known as salt pigtail. So I have some boiling water here. I'm going to add them to the water, but then go and boil. So I'm going to boil out the salt out of them, how me want them. I don't really want them too salt, so I'm going to make them go and cook out the salt. That go and boil out, right? I have a piece of adding some floating pot like this. Not really nothing. Like this. Alright, add a little more. Alright. Some caramel. Good old caramel. Add some salt to it like this. And I really body put salt on them flour, but me like put salt in my flour, right? Yeah. So we're going to stir it up, stir the salt in it. And then add some water. So this is the way me need my flour, right? And I show step by step. Add a little more water to it like this. Alright. Don't have a little more, still feel dry. The flour right here, you can see, I'm gonna knead up and thing already. Alright, on PVC pigtail I cook there, you can see it. So I'm gonna boil this, but then go and boil right out till them get soft and salt boil out like right. Yes, my people sit there, gas done and see some dry for the cold stove, right? Yeah man, so my pigtail continue scald off, right? Keep the spices there, onion, garlic, tomato, pepper, bell pepper, and mango, yeah. Wash them, so I'm going to cut them up. So I'm going to show you step by step, right? Where's the drop go? Wash it off. Keep scared. Mango green and it will, right? So I'm cutting up the spice then, right? Cut out the tomato sauce, the onion right like this, just strip it off like this. And cut it up like this. Pepper, hot pepper. Like when my food spicy, so we have enough pepper like this. Country pepper, real country pepper. Bell pepper. More tomato like these. piece of garlic like these right here. Remember, you know, mango pigtails, it's nice, man. Eat it with taste it. Yeah, my peeps, see there? See mango there? See spice then cut up and pretty there? You can see. And see pigtail right here. Yeah, man, so remember mango, pig, tail. Recipe I got nice, man. Eat it with taste. Spice and now pickling there and one thing is eat, I don't know. Yeah. Starting by peeling them, right? Like these. $50 pound for your yam in the water. You see, the yam never good. Actually, $50 pound for it, but what? Until you want it, you can't cut. I say, oh, you have to buy your man. The same for the Irish, to $300 pound for the Irish. And same for the potatoes here. Everything gets expensive, master. Starting by making my dumpling like this, right? Yeah, some people make them different, but me now, some make my dumpling as these. Yeah, that way I will make them. See? Like my dumpling them big, you know, I'm man, you know. It's like, some people like for them little. But alright then. Presentation is key. So you have to build them for the levels that them can see. Look nice and thing inside. peeps, see boiled food and things, you see? Yeah, man, see mango pigtail, eh? Yeah, man, presentable in the pot, you know? Eatable, tasteable. Remember, mango pigtail. Yes, my peeps, see mango pigtail, eh? Recipe ready, my peeps. See dumpling there. Irish sweet potato, see yellow yam there. Yeah, man, I can see all I spice them right there. Yeah? Eatable, tasteable. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Mango there. Yeah, man, pigtails, yam there, sweet potato, the Irish caramel dumpling. Please like and share Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, my peeps, the recipe there, mango pigtail, you can see. It's a mango, yeah. It's a pigtail and peas. Eatable.